In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily drop a pin on Google Maps. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Google Maps, and then basically all we have to do in order to drop a pin is just search for a specific location. We can, by pinching, zoom it in or zoom it out until we find a location we are looking for. And then to drop a pin, all we have to do is just long press with our finger on a screen for a second, and it will drop this red pin here. And after that, we can, let's say, save that location to be able to easily find it later. If I hit right here at save, it will allow me to save that location to different lists. For example, we can save it to favorites, want to go, travel plans, or start places. And also by hitting right here, we can create new list, and then we'll be able to save our location in there. Also, we can easily, if we drag it to the left a bit, share this location with someone. So all you have to do is just hit add share. Then we can hit add share this place, copy link, or share as a collaborative list. I'm just gonna select the first option, and it will allow me to use any applications that allows us to send messages. We can send via messages, mail, via any application, any messenger, any social media such as Instagram, Snapchat, Messenger, X, or Gmail. And also if we hit add more, we'll get the full list of applications we can use to share that location with someone. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.